Howdy Buckaroos, Ellen here. Hope all you doing well. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. It is that time of the year in Houston, rodeo season. Oh, I just love the rodeo. The trail riders, the parade, bull riding, livestock show, the carnival, and of course, the great food, the barbecues and fried foods. Are y'all a fan of Oreos like I am? How does deep fried Oreos sound? That's right, sugar. We're gonna make deep fried Oreos. Oh my Lord. Sounds delicious, huh? And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. Gonna fry it to golden perfection. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more rodeo and carnival recipes, check out my funnel cake and fried deviled eggs recipe and my previous video, Cajun Dirty Rice. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your batter, your Oreos, and get your oil heating up, sugar, because we're about to fry some Oreos magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Yeehaw! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up our batter. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup of, and into our flour, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Give it a quick stir. Alrighty, so now we're going to make a well in the center. We're going to add in our wet ingredients. A half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. 1 extra large egg at room temperature. Going to stir this in until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And continue mixing until everything is well blended. And if the batter is lumpy, that's all right. You don't want to overmix it. Alrighty, so now we're going to let the batter rest for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, this is what our batter looks like, nice and thick. That looks great. So now we're going to set my batter aside, and I'm going to grab my Oreos and get my oil nice and hot. Over here, I have my cast iron skillet filled with canola oil. We wanted to heat it to 350 degrees. It's nice and hot. And over here, I have my Oreos. I have 20 regular Oreos, or you can use the double stuff or the chocolate cream golden Oreos, whatever your heart desire. All right, let's get frying. So we're going to take my fork, grab an Oreo, going to gently put it into the batter. And flip it over. Drip off the excess. And we're going to gently put the Oreo into the hot grease. Hear that sizzle? Yeah, that's what you want. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan, otherwise the temperature of the oil will go down. All right, that's good. I'm gonna put one more in. Alrighty, so now we're gonna let the Oreos fry until they're golden brown, about 4 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, let's take a look at the Oreos. Oh yeah, nice and golden brown. Gorgeous! These don't take long to fry. Alrighty, so now we're going to let the Oreos finish frying on the other side. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through frying my first batch of Oreos and just came out of the oil. See how nice and golden brown they are? So now while they're still hot, we're going to dust them immediately with powdered sugar. Just like that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish frying the rest of my Oreos, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Deep fried Oreos. Don't that look good? I placed them onto my platter. And the smell's amazing. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that crust. Have a bite. OMG. These are so soft they just melt in your mouth. Decadent, chocolatey. And you see what the flour did? The baking powder in the flour helped the crust rise. If y'all never had deep fried Oreos, y'all are in for a treat. You can make your favorite Carnival foods in the comforts of your own kitchen. These are marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Deep fried Oreo-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy rodeo!